Another table scape. This time it's purple, the golden color, and white. With a splash of burgundy. Here's the color that I changed a couple of things to, and I'll show you that. Aubergine matte. This is the first thing I colored. I left some of the color out so you can see. It's like the blues and browns and white, and I changed it so we can have a charger that's in the purple family. And then we're using these plates. This was all gold, and I changed it to that color. And our napkins. I took some material from a dress that I no longer wear and did the napkin. And we have our gold stem glass. And we have used the same utensils, the color of gold. Now, burgundy would have worked just as well with clear or silver. But I chose the gold, and then the fork on this side. And the splash of burgundy, because here in this flower pot, this is a bowl I got from thrifting. I believe it was last year, early in the year. And it has the burgundies and the purples and greens running through it. And so we brought that burgundy down here with this nice little suitcase, very small. And then to pick up some more of the burgundy, the grape. And no full tablecloth today. Just a towel draped across for the centerpiece, which is off-white. We brought the copper in because it blends well. That was the flower. And then we put the color flowers in here along with the piece of the material. And this has been painted also, the aubergine color. And we'll stick on this side just for a few more seconds. That's a beautiful purple flower. It is absolutely beautiful. And then in the center, we brought the browns. We have different shades, the green and the white. And then the other picture of burgundy. At first I had the cream colors, but this pillow has a beautiful purple in it. So I decided to go with it. And it's the same on this side. And the bronze I brought this one on this side. I just simply put the cloth in here. And the flowers in the middle. And that is our purple and white and gold for today. Thank you for being here again today, subscribers, and those who have been here before, viewing or watching the video, or for your first time. Come on in, welcome, subscribe, like, and comment. We do appreciate it. Until the next video. Blessings.